Zita langu ndinonzi Engineer Tendai Munyanduri. I'm the president of the new Patriotic Front, NPF, which is a very new political party in the Zimbabwean stage. We formed our political party after realizing a gross incompetence on the part of those in power, the ruling party in particular. Our country is with the highest unemployment rate in the world, which is 95%, whilst other countries like Qatar is with 0.4%, UK 0.7%, China 0.6%. We also noticed that our life, in terms of life expectancy, Zimbabwe is one of the worst in the world, 160 in the world. It ranks number 160. Whilst in other countries like Japan, people live on the average up to 89 years, others 90, China 87, UK 87. Here people are dying below 60, which is also showing the incompetence on the part of those in power, which means, one, they are failing to manage life sciences in hospital. They are also failing to craft safety policies to prevent work-related accidents. They failed to dualize our roads in time to prevent head-on accidents which are killing our people. They have also failed to ensure 100% access to a balanced diet for our people so that we extend their life expectancy. We are also urging the people of Zimbabwe, we are offering the Zimbabweans a very rare golden opportunity, very rare, to have a scientist on the ballot paper as a presidential candidate for scientific leadership and technological development. We are hoping to bring prosperity to all our people. We know there are a lot of laws that are very incompetent. We are saying when you're in power, all laws should pass the prosperity test. For example, the law which makes if you give lift to a public, a private vehicle gives lift to a member of public for a fee, is actually given a ticket. This is an example of a law which does not pass the prosperity test because it prevents increased capacity utilization of private, public, and private assets. And also, we are saying a person who should be given a ticket. We are promising that when we come to power, one of the major things that we'll do is to ask ZANU-PF to return all the stolen money from 1980. And I believe everyone in Zimbabwe will get something, or be rich at least, by that strategy alone. What we call the stolen money are those public assets which have been privatized and put in the name of a few ZANU-PF big wigs. Also, if you take a lawyer being Minister of Finance, his salary is money that is stolen from the people of Zimbabwe. Okay. The political party's finance sector as we stand right now is also stolen money because it's not being given to all players. So we thank you. Vote for Engineer Tendai Munyanduri. Vote for New Patriotic Front. Vote for NPF.